EagleRidge Roofing and Construction, your trusted roofing contractor in Riverton, Utah. Are you in need of a reliable roofing contractor in Riverton, Utah? Look no further. EagleRidge Roofing and Construction is here to provide top-notch roofing services to both residential and commercial clients in the 84065 and 84096 zip codes. Whether you're looking to install a new roof, repair an old one, or need emergency services, we've got you covered. As the premier roofing contractor in Riverton, EagleRidge specializes in a wide range of residential roofing services to meet your home's unique needs. These include new roof installation, roof repairs and maintenance, roof replacement, roof inspections and storm damage assessments, gutter installation and repair, ice and water shield installation, soffits and fascia installation, siding installation, and more. For our commercial clients in the 84065 and 84096 areas, EagleRidge offers comprehensive commercial roofing services to protect your business. We provide commercial roof installation and replacement, flat roof repair and installation, metal roofing systems, TPO, EPDM, and other membrane roofing systems, roof coatings to extend the life of your roof, soffits and fascia services for commercial buildings, swamp cooler installations and removal. Why do property owners in Riverton trust EagleRidge with their roofing needs? It's simple. With over 25 years of experience, we provide highly skilled certified technicians, premium materials for durability and long-lasting results, expert installations and 24/7 support, transparent communication and emergency repair services. Our commitment to quality ensures that every project is done on time and within budget, with exceptional customer satisfaction. At EagleRidge, quality is at the heart of everything we do. From using premium materials to precision installations, we stand behind every job with a satisfaction guarantee. Our dedication to excellence ensures that your roof is energy efficient, weather resistant, and built to last. Don't wait until it's too late. Whether you need a new roof, repairs, or an inspection, EagleRidge is here to help. Call us today at 801-784-1457 to schedule your free roofing inspection, and visit our website at eagleridgepros.com to learn more about our services. Trust the experts at EagleRidge for all your roofing needs in Riverton, Utah. Protect your property with a roof that stands the test of time. Call EagleRidge Roofing and Construction today at 801-784-1457 for a reliable, affordable, and professional roofing experience in Riverton.